Yes, we love a popcorn snack. And for those who say, I love a popcorn snack, but I also like to make smart snack choices, how about the delicious popcorn snack from Farmer John's that's already been portioned for you in the mini size? So no matter which choice you're making, it's 150 calories or less. That's what we have for you next. So let me introduce you to Jessica Hart.
Hello.
She is one of our food product experts, and she is here with us bringing us these delicious mini microwave popcorns bags from Farmer John's. It's great to see you.
Good to see you,
Wonderful
Thea.
to have
Thank you.
here. So I've been saying everything in our gourmet holiday show, and this is such a perfect time because whether it's the Easter holiday and everybody's gathering together, whether it's spring break and your kids are out of school.
For sure.
Or, you know, the days just get longer and the sun is shining and we're looking for wonderful snacks. Popcorn is a favorite snack. So Farmer John's, let's start there,
Yes.
and then we'll talk about what you put together in the assortment of minis and what our choices are.
Okay. Farmer John is a third-generation popcorn farmer out of Breda, Iowa. His family has been perfecting this special kernel for the past 75 years. That's what's made them famous. It virtually shatters when it pops.
There's Farmer John.
And his
Yeah.
sons and his dad. His sons will be the fourth generation to go
Wow.
through the farm there as a family. So you know where the popcorn is coming from, which is so important. But what has made them famous is this virtually holeless kernel that virtually shatters when it pops. And a traditional kernel will butterfly open, leaving that hole to get stuck in your teeth and in your stomach. And it just makes popcorn eating
Not as
sometimes
enjoyable.
unpleasant.
Yeah.
And what makes Farmer John so special is this virtually holeless kernel. It virtually shatters, as you can see here, when it pops, leaving fewer of those holes to get stuck in your teeth or in your stomach.
So as we're watching it, that's what
Yes.
happens. And so it does. It makes eating popcorn that much more enjoyable because you're not picking and doing all of those things.
Yes.
So we have the mini assortment, and that is the perfectly portioned size. And they go right into your microwave, but we
Yes.
have a choice
We do.
of flavors. So we walk
do.
through
Let's
what our
do
choices
them.
are.
So here what I've poured first is our kettle corn.
Okay.
150 calories in this variety.
good does that sound?
Yes, it's smart snacking.
Yeah.
So personal size, portion control if you are worried about that. And this is that sweet and salty combination, what you know from the amusement park or the carnival. That you smell in the air, that aroma, and you've just got to have it.
Of course.
So good.
Okay.
So next we have the light variety, and only 100 calories in this whole bag.
Wow.
So with some indulgence there, it has salt and butter, but a little bit less so than you would have in our other butter varieties here.
I'll try that one too.
Yes, if you want a little bit of salt and a little bit of butter, you don't sacrifice anything, and you still have really, really yummy flavor.
And what's great is just that. It's the corn flavor that you love, the popcorn flavor that you love. Just enough of the salt and just enough of the butter to give it a little something.
Yes.
That's good. And 100 calories.
100 calories for the
Wow.
whole bag.
I can feel good about that.
And the kernel is tender and still crunchy, tender and soft and crunchy,
Kinda
because
melts
you
in your
don't
mouth.
have that hole that's still getting stuck in your teeth there.
Yeah.
So here we've got the movie theater, and that's that tried and true experience at the movies.
Okay.
That lovely combination of salt and butter, what you come to know and love, that quintessential experience.
Movie night for your family. You're just, settling in and watching your favorite thing on Netflix, whatever you like to
Yes.
do. And you get 20 bags of whatever choice you're making. We even have a combo choice.
Yes,
Okay.
this is my girl's favorite. So when we're
movie
doing
theater?
family movie night, they want
Yeah.
the movie theater, and that's what we always have on hand at our house.
Okay.
And so here we have, if you like just a little bit more butter and salt, we have our extra butter variety here.
Okay.
So that just gives you a kiss more butter.
Let's try that.
And salt, but still 150 calories for the movie theater and for the extra butter, for the whole bag.
And can I tell you? Oh, that's good. Because,
Yes.
sometimes when you go in for extra butter and it's just like sort of, it doesn't necessarily taste like the best butter. Again, it's just it bumps up the butter, but I still get the good flavor of the popcorn.
Yeah.
And that popcorn, I get the crunch and then it just melts in my mouth, and I don't have any of the negative experience that you often have with traditional popcorn because of the hulls. Okay, so here's what you will do, everybody. Love the minis. No matter which, even if you're choosing the kettle corn choice, 150 calories or less, and you get 20 of the bags. Now, do I pop them the way I normally would in my microwave?
Yes, we should talk about that. So this is a smaller bag than a traditional size popcorn bag.
Okay.
So in the studio here, we're doing 1 minute and 20 seconds. And what you want to do is listen for 2 to 3 seconds between pops.
Okay.
So that you know that your popcorn's done, and then you want to pull it out. But that 115 to 120 is a good time frame to pay attention to.
Okay.
Yes.
It is delicious, and the fact that it's virtually hull free is wonderful, and that it's farm fresh.
Farm
That's
fresh.
what we love.
That experience, we know exactly where it's coming from the fields of Breda, Iowa, and it's a smarter snack choice. We've got the portion control here with 100 calories or 150 calories, and you know, high in fiber and some protein in there, and I feel really good about giving it to my kids.
It really is. It's the snack that so many people love. We love popcorn, and you know, if you find that that's what you love at the end of the day, I love that I can keep these maybe in the office, and you have them as a snack in the late afternoon. Your kids are out of school; they want a little something. They can pop it into the microwave. So here's what you will do: let us know which choice you're making. So remember, we have the light butter. That's the one that's 100 calories a bag. We also have the movie theater butter. We have the kettle corn, and then we also have it for you in the extra butter. Now, if you want a combination of all of those, the combo will have 5 of each of those I just mentioned. Let us know you want the combo. By the way, right now, extra butter is the favorite.
Okay, well, butter is delicious.
Alrighty. The item number, everybody, is AM62456. And remember, with all of your gourmet food treats, they ship to you for free. And what we have for you in this afternoon's show, well, it's all going to be there in time for Easter. All right, we love crunchy, we love salty, we love sweet, we love it all.